Jersey number 7 to jersey number 18. Now is stripping the post screen by 17. Pass to jersey number 28. Pull-up jumper, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 7. 10 to shoot. Back to 18. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by 26. Pass break to jersey number 21. Steal by jersey number 17. Foul committed by jersey number. That is your second personal foul. Now jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 20. To jersey number 7. 3.5. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 26. Layup. Foul. Basket count.
Basket and one by Gumbay.
Foul jersey.
Bonus shot. No good.
Bonus shot no good. Yapon kick out to 18. 3.5.
Dino for 3.
3 points. So isa na lang avansi. 13-14.
13-14 in favor of
Jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner, back to jersey number 18, to jersey number 28. Back to 18, 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper, 2 points.
by Hainos
8 minutes.
by Guzman.
Now jersey number 18. Back to 27.
16-13.
The jersey number 31 to 26, no good. The rebound taken by 28. Pass break to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, foul.
16-13, 3-point lead.
Throw by Hainos.
1 out of 2. 17-13, kabok sa back. Now jersey number 18. Pass to 31. Pass to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 deflected from behind, steal. Backcourt violation hit. The jersey number 21. Pass to 26. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by 21. To jersey number 26. 10 to shoot. Off the glass. 2 points by jersey number 21.
Malan. Makael Malan.
Now jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 7, fake, back to 18 in the middle, back to jersey number 7, to jersey number 23, 10 to shoot, spin move, no good, rebound taken by jersey number 31, pass to 18, now jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 26, back to 18, off the glass, 2 points.
17 all.
Timeout called by
Now jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 17. Pass to 7. Fade. To jersey number 28. Steal by jersey number 18. Now jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Kick out to 26. Back to jersey number 18. 3-point fire is no good. The rebound taken by jersey number 17.
Jumong.
Now jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 18. Back to Tunde, to jersey number 7 to the corner, 3-point pass, no good, rebound taken by 17. Kick out to jersey number 29. 28, no good. Out of bounds, number 18 to 26. Deflected from behind, comes from jersey number 18, pass break to jersey number 10. Now jersey number 18, pass to 21 in the middle, the jersey number 10, back to 18, 3-point pass. No good. Away. Tapos pa. Rebound taken by 21 off the glass. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 18. Now there is jersey number 18 dribbling the ball coast to coast. Drop pass to 7. Nice pass off the glass. 2 points. For 19-17.
19-17 in favor of Tabok-Subak.
Now jersey number 26. Dribbling the ball. Drop pass to jersey number 10. Teardrop, 2 points. So at least this is
19 all.
jersey number 7, fake. Backcourt violation. Outside turnover. Jersey number 18, dribble the ball, screen by 70. Attacking the basket, nice pass, layup, 2 points.
Get by Bendiro. 21-19. To Malan.
Now jersey number 21, 3-point pass, no good. Rebounded in by jersey number 18, 3 minutes and 40. Now jersey number 18, off the glass, 2 points, 23-19.
4-0 run. By tabok sa ba. Ni Nolan.
Jersey number 21, back to jersey number 10, pull up, jumper, no good.
No good.
Ball taken by jersey number 10, kick out to jersey 91.
Ano?
Pass to 21, 10 to shoot, 3-point pass, no good. Out of bounds, single. Jersey 91, fake, pull up, jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 17, pass to 18, now he's dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket, coast to coast, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10, pass to 26. Now jersey number 26 to 91. 3-point by
3
Spy.
points by
3
J.
points. O isa na lang abansin.
20-21. 20 to 23.
Bang! Losman, 3 points.
26-20.
Another steal. 2 minutes. 3-point no good. Pass to jersey 91, pass break to 21. Jersey number 21, attacking the basket, on the glass, no good. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball, nice pass to 23, off the glass, 2 points. 28-22, 1 minute and 40.
28-22 in favor of tabok sa ba.
Now jersey number 91, pass to 21, back to 91, another 3-point pass, no good. Ball taken by jersey 91, fake pass to jersey number 10, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 21 to 91, attacking the basket, foul.
Foul.
First free throw.
No good.
Wala ginagawa. Rebound by 17. Pass to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 18. Spin move. There is a whistle. What's the minute time? 1 minute. The jersey number 18. 10 to shoot. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound taken by 11. Pass to jersey 91, 15 seconds. Pass to jersey number 21. 3-point pass, no good. 14 seconds. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball, coast to coast. Nice pass. Wala ka rin sunod. Rebound by 7, 2 points. 13 seconds.
30-21.
The jersey number 11, dribbling the ball. 20 seconds. Pass to jersey number 91. 10 to shoot. 15 seconds. 5 to shoot. 10 seconds.
24-30.
5.
That's the end of the
End of first half. End of second quarter. Score 30-24 in favor of Tabuk Suba.
tabok sa ba.